On a date with Acula RR310. Today we are having RR310 as our ride partner, and I am riding RR310 first time in my whole life. And we all know that Apache stands for the sporty, and with this RR, TVS is getting more and more race focused. And this is first fully fed bike manufactured by TVS. Actually, not only TVS, this product RR310 is the product of collaboration of both BMW and TVS, and we will be testing it today. This is actually a BS4 version, so let's take a move. Let me first tell you its engine specs. It is a single cylinder 4-stroke 4-valve liquid cooled and reverse inclined 312cc engine with 6-speed gearbox. It produces maximum power of 34 PS and 27.3 Nm of torque. With this, it comes with fully digital instrumental console with 5-inch TFT display. It shows a lot of information in it which I'll be telling you in this video. And right now I have to go to a silent place and an open area out of Jaipur, maybe जहाँ भी मिलेगा थोड़ा अच्छा माहौल. We will be going there and I'll be telling you in detail everything about this RR310. And as we know, this is a fully fed bike, track bike, so its riding posture will be definitely like a track bike only, aggressive. So I don't think that I can go on a long tour on this bike, because my favorite position for touring is upright position, and in this position my palms and my shoulder may get a lot of pain. So I would not recommend this bike for touring, but yeah, if you can adjust, you can definitely take it for long tours or long rides. One more thing I would like to tell you, that the main competitor of this RR310 in the market is the Yamaha R3, YZF R3. It comes with double cylinder engine with 325cc of engine, and I don't know exactly the power figures of R3, but definitely R3 is more powerful than this RR310 because of the two cylinders equipped in R3, and those two cylinders are only for more power. That's why R310 is having less power than R3. But according to me, RR310 is more attractive than R3. The design of this bike is more attractive than R3, and this is my personal perspective. Don't take it seriously. सबकी पसंद अलग अलग होती हैं, सो दिस इज़ माई पसंद. तो फटाफट से चलते हैं खुले हाईवे पे, जहाँ पे इसको खुल के भगा सकें, फुल थ्रोटल कर सकें. आई वुड नॉट बी गोइंग टू इट्स टॉप एंड, बट स्टिल भगानी है मेरे को. Let's move. And now I am on this open highway. This is Tonk Road, खुला हाईवे. अभी खींचते हैं इसको थोड़ी, and let's rave it. चलो तो अब इसको थोड़ा धीमे करते हैं। ज़्यादा देर तक ज़्यादा स्पीड में चलाना इज़ डेंजरस एंड बाय माई साइड देर वाज स्पीड चेकिंग। ओवर स्पीड वालों को रोक रहे थे एंड बाय लक किस्मत अच्छी थी, मेरी नज़र पड़ गई, सो बच गए। एंड बाय द वे द रेव इट गोज़ इज़ द नेक्स्ट लेवल। अमेजिंग मैन, अमेजिंग, perfect. And now let me take the service road. I think यही ठीक जगह है। हाईवे के ऊपर में तो गाड़ियों की आवाज़ आती रहेगी, सो सर्विस रोड पे चलते हैं। इधर इस साइड में शांति से आपको इसकी डिटेल्स बताऊंगा। एंड शुड आई स्टॉप हियर? ओके, लेट मी स्टॉप दिस एंड हैव ए लुक ओवर इट मैन। पहले रोक लूं। चलो, फाइनली a silent place I have got and just have a look over it. Amazing. Look at it again and again, man. Doesn't it look like a proper super sporty motorcycle? मेरी तो नज़र नहीं हट रही। एंड दिस ब्लैक कलर, amazing, perfect. And this red color is also. So let me tell you some more features. I love this helmety here because I love riding, and riding without helmet, I don't like that. Anyways, this is the beast you are seeing behind is our partner today on a date with Acula RR310. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let me tell you some more specifications that I haven't told you yet. I mean, just look at it, man. मेरी तो नज़र ही नहीं हट रही इतनी शानदार बाइक से. And look at its vast tank design. Actually, it looks very huge, but it is not that much. It does not hold that much fuel in it. It is only 11 liters of tank, and this is 5-inch TFT display. ऐसा कुछ ये दिखता है as soon as we switch on the key, and it shows a lot of information in it. This is fuel meter, this is engine temperature, gear indicator, RPM, here is time which is wrong right now, this is odometer, speedometer, and range 73 kilometers. The amount of fuel which is having right now, ये 73 kilometers चलेगी. Next, this thing is mileage. जो बाइक चल रही होगी उस टाइम पे ही पता चलेगा. नो माइलेज इज 27 किलोमीटर पर लीटर राइट नाउ, अभी मैं जो आया हूँ उसका. एंड वो जो पीछे वाला था वो चल रही होते हुए एट प्रेजेंट. दिस इज टोटल फ्यूल, ट्रिप 1, ट्रिप 2, ट्रिप ए, हाई स्पीड, till now is 167 km per hour. Average speed, temperature, engine temperature, and a lot of more informations it contains. With that, it contains a hazard switch light. Just as soon as we press this, all the indicators will start blinking, as you can see now. It is integrated with bi-LED technology, dual projector lamps, and these eyebrows, and this is TVS logo, which you can see everywhere on the bike. On the chassis it is written race spec, as there is in BMW bikes, and you can see TVS Racing DOHC reverse inclined engine. This reverse inclined engine means the exhaust is reverse. Mainly जिन बाइक्स में आता है वो सामने से एग्जॉस्ट पाइप निकलता है, एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बाइक एग्जॉस्ट इज रिवर्स. रियर सीट बहुत छोटी है एंड फ्रंट सीट is enough for the rider. Kada type thing is given with this, and 35 years of TVS Racing is written over the tail, and its tail light, you can see it's huge, bulky. With all these things, TVS offers USD forks एंड ड्यूल चैनल ABS भी मिल जाएगा इसमें, एंड TVS ऑफर्स मिशलिन टायर, फ्रंट टायर 110 70/17, एंड सेम रिवर्स टायर, रियर टायर इज मिशलिन एंड its size is 150/60/17. With all these things, this tricolor enhances its looks, and these horses 3D horses on the tank, logo of Apache, and on the tank you will see RR310. With all these things, it is equipped with clip-on handlebars which look huge. With all these things, I love with this bike. First time चलाई है मैंने ये बाइक, and I am absolutely in love with this. I love it. Really I love it. चलो कुछ और चलाते हैं इसको, कुछ और मज़े करते हैं. फ़िलहाल के लिए वीडियो यहीं तक रखते हैं. अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन, एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, राइड सेफ.